Hey, what's going on everyone? Today we will be looking at client scripts, and in this video just wanted to walk you guys through the setup. So like our other automation tools, we have it here in the Chrome store. I'm going to go ahead and remove this for you guys, and we're basically just going to add the extension. Okay, so that'll add it here. I'm going to pin it so that we can access it easily. Okay. By default, again, your password for the softwares will be 123456, and you can change it as soon as you log in by just hitting change password right over here. Okay. So client scripts has a few things already set up for you guys in terms of frameworks that you can pull up for your conversations. These are conversations that you could be having on Facebook or really anywhere else that you are prospecting. We have 4 sections here when you first log in. We have our conversation starters, our transition scripts, overcoming objections, and then we have a custom scripts section where you can add your own. Okay. So if we want to get started with these, you guys can jump right into it. So let's take a look at conversation starters, for example. Hi, first name, thanks for connecting. I really like the content you posted on your profile about post details. It's great to connect with you. What do you do for a living, right? Or what do you do for work? Hi, you just came up as a recommended connection on my profile, and I see we are both in the same industry. So I thought I would reach out and say hello. Maybe we can share a few insights and maybe a few referrals. Anyways, hope to hear from you soon. So these are just ideas for you guys to get rolling in the right direction. And the cool thing about client scripts is that you can really customize all of this. So we have the custom scripts section, but if you want to rename any of these sections, you can organize the 4 things that would be most helpful for you in terms of organizing your conversations and what you typically say. Okay, so pretty straightforward tool here, guys, but pretty powerful in terms of staying organized with the different variations of your messages and how you want to reach out to people. And sometimes when you are first getting started, having something like this to organize your ideas and the messages that you need to be sending out can really just simplify things so that you don't get stuck in analysis mode, right? And you can start taking some action, okay? So that's it for this lesson. If you guys have any questions or if we can help out with anything, let us know, and I will see you on the next one.